guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria. So happy that you guys are here with me today, and for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. So guys, today is National Cookies Day and I'm gonna make one of my favorite cookies, which is oatmeal raisin cookies. Now I love all different type of cookies, but oatmeal raisin cookies is my very favorite cookies to make. So today, in honor of National Cookies Day, I'm going to make my favorite cookies. So come on in. I put my dry goods together, which is just my flour, 1 1/4 cup flour, and my salt, which is 1/2 teaspoonful, and my baking soda, which is 1 teaspoonful. Okay, and my nutmeg, which is 1/2 teaspoonful, and my cinnamon, which is 1/2 teaspoonful, and I'm just going to whisk these together. And I'm going to put these aside, and now I'm going to place my butter and my sugars in my KitchenAid mixer, which is my stand mixer. Okay, next I'm going to add my eggs and my vanilla. Okay, now I'm going to pour. What I love about it is it keeps your flour from just flaring up all over your kitchen. This is so good. So next, now I'm going to add my old-fashioned oatmeal. And my raisins. Follow behind is my walnut. The oven is preheated 350. I will put this in the oven for 11 to 12 minutes. Guys, inside here, smell like a bakery. It smells so good in here. These cookies are soft and scrumptious, and I cannot wait to take a bite. Now this is how I like my cookies. Soft, scrumptious, and tasty out of the oven. I'm going to chow in these with a glass of milk. Now you too can make this. Just check my description box for all the ingredients that I use, and don't forget now to like this video, share this video, leave me a comment below, and if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, hit the red subscribe below and the notification bell, so when I upload new videos you'll get a notification. And don't forget to like me on Facebook, like me on Instagram, and check out our luxury hair website. The link is also in my description box. I cannot wait to see you in my next video.